Now that summer is finally upon us and temperatures are heating up, maybe preparing your swimming pool or even considering getting a new pool installed. So what sort of electrical connections are involved? First thing to know is that pumps for in-ground pools operate differently than above-ground pools. Pumps for in-ground pools use dual voltage or reversible voltage. They both mean the same thing, people just tend to use one or the other for their names. What it means is that the pump can accept either 110 volts or 220 volts. Either way, an in-ground pool pump must be hardwired in and installed with a breaker. It's best to let an electrician do this. If you were going the other route with an above-ground pool, then you just need to have an accessible household outlet available for your pump. It's best to use a 10 gauge or 12 gauge extension cord with pumps because they require a lot of electricity. A situation you may come across is trying to connect old and new connections. The old style plug for above ground pools once was a NEMA L520, which obviously would need its corresponding outlet installed. So if your old pump poops out and you have to get a new one, which we know uses a regular household plug, what can be done? You can adapt the household plug to your dedicated NEMA L520 outlet for your pool. The AC Works adapter to use for this would be ADL520-520. Once your pump is plugged into the adapter, just give it a simple twist into the outlet and you are set for a relaxing day at the pool. If you have any further questions about power connection solutions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and ask us through a phone call, text, or email. Like, comment, subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.